All right, friends, you need to get your problem of the day, your math journal. You are going to draw a vertical line down the middle of your page, horizontal line across the middle of your page. Pause the video to get your journal ready. Let's get started with R, read. There are 9 bunnies in the basket. Some are white, some are gray. Now it's time to draw different ways that these bunnies of 9 might look. When you're drawing the math way, you're going to draw them in 5 groups. So you're going to have 9 circles in 5 groups. Some will stay white, some you're going to color in. Once you have your mouth drawing, you're going to write the number sentence that goes with it. Remember, you're going to change what this might look like 4 times. When you're done, take a picture on Seesaw.